I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dolls that I grew beside. All the ground, high that it died. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me.
Making our way up north to Camden, New Jersey. Welcome to another episode of Rolling with Nick Campus Tours. I'm your host, Nicholas Ramsey, and today we are in Camden, New Jersey at Rutgers University, Camden campus. So, y'all, there are two other campuses, New Brunswick, New Jersey, that's one city and state, and then also it's in shoot, I forgot where the other one is at. But there's two other campuses other than this one. But today we're on Camden's campus. Y'all, I know it looks like it's about to rain. I'm sweaty. I look a mess. Hair is all frizzy. But we ain't gonna let the rain stop our shine. So we're gonna roll around this campus, see what it has to offer, and see if it may be a fit just for you. Rutgers, New Jersey. Rutgers? No, that's the name of the school. I forgot what the other one was. Where's the other one at? I just had it on top of my head. I don't remember, y'all, but it's another one. But y'all, we're gonna roll around this campus, see what I have to offer, and see if it may be a fit just for you. Before we even start, y'all, do me a huge favor. Like this video. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm. Comment. I don't care if you comment K. Just comment something so it can really boost those views up. Gonna be completely honest with y'all. So y'all, now that that is out of the way, let's go ahead and let's roll on. Alright, y'all, so our first stop today is going to be the campus center. Now this is where it's going to be lit at. You have the dining hall here, you have the Starbucks here, you have the Student Affairs Administration's office here, you have the Student Wellness Center, you have this huge area to congregate with your friends, talk, eat in between classes, chill, all that good stuff. It's going to be right here in the Student Center. Alright, then outside of the campus center, they have these beautiful lawn chairs where it's a nice day outside like this, especially during spring. You want to sit out here, people watch. That's what I did when I was in college. Not to be weird, but everybody does it. But no weird stuff. But you know, you see somebody cute, hey, what's up? But no, for real though, you can sit out here, chill with your friends, eat your lunch, all that good stuff. And then if you want to be cooler, you can go inside of the campus center. You have that big area I just showed you all and all that good stuff. And then right across from the campus center, you have the science building. So it's like a huge plaza right here where it's the campus center, the science building, and then there's the library right across. So there are a lot of places around this little pavilion, I like to call it. All right, y'all. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I feel like this is one of the subsidiary campuses. I feel like it's not that big. Like, I feel like the main campus is in New Brunswick, New Jersey. So I actually may go to that one too. But I feel like this is not one of the bigger campuses. I mean, they have stuff that they offer, don't get me wrong, but I just feel like it's not one of the main campuses. Like, you know how Georgia State, they have multiple campuses? That's how I feel how this one is. So this video ain't probably gonna be that long because and it's about to rain, y'all. Oh my gosh. But with this Camden campus, you're closer to Philadelphia. Like, you're 13 minutes away from Independence Hall and the city and all that stuff. So like, that is one perk to it, that you are closer to the city. Yeah. So. Well, y'all, that ends our journey right here at Camden College. Where is Camden College? Well, y'all, that ends our journey right here at Rutgers University, Camden campus. I want to thank you all so much for tuning with me every single week, for everyone that comes back every single week, and for all the new subscribers. And if you made it to the end of this video, you are most definitely a real one. So once again, please do me a huge favor, like, comment where you want to see me go next, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you won't miss any of the latest content. And until next week, please stay safe, stay happy, stay blessed. Tell someone that you love them, and I will see you all later.